Hello everyone, welcome back to Superior Products. Today we are going to showcase our, what's this kit called again? Greatest hits. Okay, the greatest hits, the OGs, the most popular, the creme de la creme. How does that go, Paul? Creme de la creme? Creme de la crop?
The cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Anyways, we're gonna talk about some car detailing stuff. So we are going to get started with Dirt Buster. This is one of the OGs. Last year we had our 30-year anniversary, and so we celebrated all of our original products that we have from the very beginning. Tried and true. Dirt Buster is easy to use. It is cherry scented. It is very high sudsing. This product is pH neutral. It will also help to bring whatever wax is on the surface of your vehicle, bring it kind of up to the top to help make it shine and add a little bit of protection. Is safe to use in a foam cannon. You can use it as a pre-treatment. You can use it in a wash bucket, hand wash. You can use this for just about anything. So this soap is versatile. It's easy. 1 to 2 ounces per 5-gallon bucket. So a little goes a long way. Our stuff is concentrated. You do not have to use a lot of it. A little goes a long way. One thing that you also always want to do is rinse out your bucket after each use. So if this has been used in a bucket all day, after a couple of hours, toss it out, throw a little bit more in, freshen up your water, freshen up your soap. It's gonna help eliminate any particles that might get left in the bucket of water. So make sure that you are rinsing your bucket out at the end of every shift, not necessarily like every car, but you wanna make sure that your bucket's clean. And this is a great, easy to use soap. So go check it out, it's a good one. Next up in the greatest hits kit is Zap-It. This product is one of my favorite products. It is an interior cleaner, a leather cleaner, an upholstery cleaner, a stain remover. Use it just about anywhere and it's going to clean it and remove any nasty stuff that might be on the surface or carpet. It's going to be separated. You're going to have to shake it to get the product activated, get it working. But also, if you do buy this in a 5-gallon size container, make sure that you take it and tilt it back and forth a few times to make sure that the product really mixes well together. We don't sell this in anything larger than a 5, just for that purpose. But this stuff is gonna work great on any stains that you have in your carpet. If you have grease, if you have oil, ketchup, mustard, wine, marker, pen, this stuff is going to work great at removing it and removing it really easy. So just put it, shake it up, put it in a spray bottle, spray it on your carpet, spray it on the surface. It's safe on any surface. And it also smells really good. It's made with a product called delimonene.
Oh my God! Wow!
The oil from an orange peel. So whenever you spray this in the car, it's gonna have that nice citrus scent. Easy to use, shake it before you use it, spray it on your carpet, spray it on your plastic, on your vinyl, on your leather, not gonna hurt anything. Really great product to clean the entire interior of your vehicle. Let's move on next to Dark Fury. Dark Fury has really gained quite the following recently. This product is extremely popular for exterior cleaning. So on your rims, on your wheels, for the front where the bugs splatter and cause those really nice, nasty, juicy bug splats. This is gonna work fantastic at removing it and removing it really quick and efficiently and easy, and it's super concentrated. So this stuff you can dilute. You have to dilute it at least 4 to 1. Let's go over the rules of Dark Fury, because sometimes if you don't follow the rules, things can happen. Number 1, dilute Dark Fury at least 4 to 1. You don't need to dilute it any less than that. If anything, you can go more. You can go 6 to 1. You can go 8 to 1. If you want to use it as a pre-soak, you can go 10 to 1. And can you put it in a foam cannon? Yes, you can put it in a foam cannon. It's really, really good for exterior. You would never need to use this at any point for anything on the interior of your car, only exterior. But for bugs on the front, cut it 4-to-1. Make sure, rule number 2, make sure that you always spray this on a cool, wet surface. Never spray this on a dry, hot surface. Always make sure that it is cool and wet first. Spray your diluted chemical on. Don't let it sit more than 10 to 15 seconds. You don't need it. Wash it off, rinse it off, and then the bugs and the tar and the grease and whatever kind of crap is on there is just gonna fall right off. Rule number 3, never let this product dry. Don't spray this product on a cool, wet surface and then let it dry. Walk away, answer a call, answer a text. Don't do it. Never let this chemical dry onto the surface. Dark Fury, great, awesome exterior cleaner, rims, wheels, bugs. Oh, also, maybe let's throw in another rule. Do not spray this product on a polished aluminum aftermarket rim.
No, God, please, no, no!
It will ruin your rim. This is great on chrome, this is great on stainless, this is great on anything that is clear coated. Most factory rims are clear coated, so you should be fine, but do not spray this on an aftermarket polished aluminum rim. Moving on. Next in the kit is one of my personal favorites, Aqua Gloss. Aqua Gloss is an interior, exterior, water-based dressing. So with this product, you can control the shine, which is really cool because a lot of people want more of a glossier interior, and then others might want more of a semi-matte or maybe just even a matte, or maybe some people are like, I don't even want it to look like you put anything on my dash. Fine. This product can be diluted 1-to-1, it can be diluted 2-to-1, 3-to-1, 4-to-1, depending on how much shine you want, will depend on how much you dilute it. Now, when you start to get up into 3-to-1 to 4-to-1, this product is going to separate. So if it's in the bottle and you see it separating, just shake it up before you go to use it again, and it will work just fine for you. Another cool feature about this is it will help repel dust. So a lot of those interior dressings, you put them on, they're loaded with silicone, and dust flies and sticks to it. This is not going to do that. This will help repel dust. Yes, there is silicone in here. Yes, it will provide UV protection, but the silicone is blended with water, which is why it is water-based. So there is a silicone emulsion in the formula, and that allows it to provide a protection without having all of the sticky dust and everything stick to the surface. So really, really cool product. You can control the shine. On tires, I would use it full strength. For if you're going to use this on a tire, put it into like a ketchup bottle and then take a tire applicator, squirt the product onto the tire applicator, and then just wipe the wheel down to give you a nice high shine, water-based, not going to sling because you've applied it on the tire properly, and it will last at least a week or 2 on the tire. It's a really great tire dressing. I would recommend full strength. And then last, with Aqua Gloss, it does have a melon scent. So it smells really good, which everybody likes scents in their stuff because when you're using it, it'll smell like summer. Now we were just talking about water-based dressings. Let's talk about solvent-based dressings. So these 2 products here are tire dressings. Some people use them on interiors. We typically recommend them for tires, whatever your personal preference is. Again, if you like that high shine on the interior, then you're gonna absolutely love this stuff. This is solvent-based, so a little misconception with solvent-based products is that, oh, it's solvent-based, it's gonna ruin my wheel. Well, not true. The solvent that we use in this formula is considered to be a high flash solvent. So really it's just acting as the carrier to get the silicone onto the wheel and to let it adhere properly. So this high flash solvent mixed with the silicone in the formula, spray it onto the tire. The solvent, high flash, evaporates immediately, and what you're left with is a beautiful, shiny, silicone coated, UV protected wheel with a dressing on it that will last at least 2 weeks, depending on the elements of where you're at. If it's raining every single day, you might get a little bit less time out of it, but this product is our #1 selling item. It is extremely easy to use. You literally just shake it a few times, get it mixed up, and then spray it on the wheel, and you're done. You spray it, you walk away, you're done. You drive through the car wash, which we don't always recommend that. Always go to your local detailer. But if you are driving through the car wash, at the end, when your car is done, have a can of this next to you, hop on out, spray your wheel down, and your car is going to look perfectly polished and finished with an amazing high shine tire dressing. Again, it's not going to ruin your tire. So it's a really easy to use product. And this one actually smells like vanilla. But you guys, that's it. I'm going to wrap up my video here for the greatest hits. Thank you so much for supporting our family-owned business. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments below, and we will respond as best as we can. But as always, thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.